The port throat area, located just behind the valve guide in a cylinder head, plays a crucial role in engine performance. This region acts as a gateway for air and fuel mixture entering the combustion chamber. Its shape and size directly influence airflow efficiency, affecting both power output and fuel economy. Optimizing the port throat area can lead to significant improvements in engine breathing, making it a key focus for performance tuning and engineering. Increasing the port throat volume allows more air to flow smoothly into the engine's combustion chamber. This larger passage reduces resistance, enabling the engine to breathe more freely at higher speeds. As a result, the improved airflow can lead to better fuel mixing and more efficient combustion. Enhanced engine efficiency often translates to increased power output and improved overall performance. By optimizing the port throat volume, engineers can achieve a balance between airflow and velocity, maximizing the engine's potential. To begin the process, it's important to have the right tools on hand. Larger tree or oval burrs are particularly effective for removing material quickly and efficiently. Their broad cutting surfaces allow for smooth shaping and contouring, making them ideal for tackling larger areas. Using these burrs helps to maintain control while minimizing the risk of gouging the material. Ensuring your tools are sharp and properly fitted will further enhance both safety and precision during the task. To safely enlarge the area just behind the guide boss, begin by thoroughly assessing the existing structure to identify any critical support features. Use precision tools to gradually remove material, ensuring you maintain a uniform shape and avoid creating thin or weak spots. Work slowly, checking your progress frequently to prevent over-removal. Reinforce any areas that appear vulnerable, and always follow manufacturer guidelines or engineering best practices. This careful approach helps preserve the overall strength and stability of the component. When increasing the volume of airflow in a system, it's important to ensure that the velocity, or speed of the air, remains within optimal ranges. If the volume rises too quickly without proper adjustments, airflow can slow down, reducing efficiency and potentially causing issues like uneven distribution. Balancing these factors involves carefully sizing ducts or passageways to accommodate greater volume while preserving the desired velocity. This helps maintain consistent performance and prevents problems such as pressure drops or noise. Achieving this balance is crucial for systems like HVAC, where both comfort and efficiency are priorities. Symmetry plays a crucial role when shaping the port throat area, as even the slightest imbalance can disrupt airflow and reduce engine efficiency. Ensuring that both sides of the port are identical helps maintain consistent velocity and pressure, leading to better performance. Techniques such as using templates, measuring tools, and careful visual inspection can help achieve precise symmetry. Taking time to compare both sides frequently during the process ensures that the final result is both balanced and effective. When starting out, beginners often struggle with creating even walls, which can lead to structural weaknesses in their projects. Another frequent mistake is removing too much material, making it difficult to achieve the desired shape or compromising the piece's integrity. To avoid these issues, it's important to work slowly and check your progress regularly. Using proper measuring tools and maintaining a steady hand can help ensure uniformity. Practicing patience and refining your technique over time will greatly reduce these common errors. Carefully reviewing your work is essential to achieving precise results. Start by visually inspecting your project for any obvious errors or inconsistencies. Using measuring tools, such as rulers or calipers, can help verify that dimensions and alignments meet the required specifications. Double-check all critical measurements and compare them to your original plans. Taking the time to confirm accuracy at each step can prevent costly mistakes and ensure a high-quality outcome. When enlarging the port throat area for better performance, it's important to prioritize precision and consistency. Carefully measuring and gradually removing material helps maintain the correct shape and flow characteristics. Avoid making the throat excessively large, as this can disrupt air velocity and reduce engine efficiency. Using the right tools and regularly checking your progress ensures optimal results. By following these best practices, you can achieve improved airflow and enhanced engine performance.